everyone. Welcome to Rajesh India Manufacturing Private Limited, formerly known as Rajesh Enterprises. Since our establishment in 2012, we have been committed to deliver excellence in the industry. We specialize in producing top-tier precious metal refinery machines, advanced neutralization scrubber systems, chemical wastewater treatment plants, and cutting-edge laboratory equipments. Our mission is to cater to the unique requirements of our valued customers with precision and innovation. The Titan model machinery is the ultimate solution for refining gold with precision, efficiency, and sustainability. It is specially designed to meet the needs of gold jewelry manufacturers and precious metal refining industry. Whether it's refining buffing dust, filing, polishing residues, or raw gold exchange in local markets, the Titan model handles it all. It also processes raw doré bars extracted from mining operations, delivering fine gold of unparalleled purity. The Titan model machinery stands out due to its advanced technology, user-friendly operation, and environmentally conscious design. Here are its key features. Auto lifting acid process ensures safe and efficient handling of acids during the refining process. Auto digital control system displays accurate temperature readings, enabling precise control over the process. Complete automation from the reaction in the reactor to filtration, precipitation, and converting liquid gold into pure form, the entire process is fully automated. Inbuilt condenser system controls fumes effectively by condensing them back into the reactor, ensuring no gold is lost in the process. PH7 system neutralizes emissions, ensuring no harm to the environment, no smoke, no smell, and zero pollution. The complete procedure just takes 4 hours with no need for manual intervention. The entire process is visible, from dissolution to obtaining final gold powder. The output gold purity matches the input purity. For example, 99.99% input gold yields 99.99% pure output gold. The processing cost is only Rs 450 per cycle, including power consumption and raw materials. The required chemicals are easily available in the local markets. The machine is designed to fit in small spaces, requiring only 100 square feet for full assembly. Perfect for refining mining gold doré bars, recycled gold, local market exchange gold, and gold used in jewelry manufacturing. Titan model operates without generating any harmful smell, smoke, or pollutants. It's designed to meet modern environmental standards, ensuring your business stays eco-friendly. At Rajesh India Manufacturing Private Limited, we are committed to delivering solutions that combine innovation, efficiency, and sustainability. Thank you for choosing us as your trusted partner in gold refining technology.